Hello everyone and welcome to this very special video. Now, I know everyone likes free stuff, everyone likes 3D, and what could be better than free 3D stuff? So, here you go. Hi guys, Abraham here. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for your continued support towards the channel. And thanks to that, today we're giving away to 1,000 lucky winners the full ZBrush character likeness course by Victor Yamakato. In this course, Victor will share with you all of the tips, tricks, and techniques that he uses to create amazing looking characters. If that's something you're interested in, if you want to bring your ZBrush level to the next step, then make sure to check down here in the description of this video and input your email address and a name that we can use to get the course to you. We promise not to spam your inbox. We're only going to be sharing important information about our courses, our classes, and all of the cool information that you need for your 3D journey. And again, thank you very much, guys. Make sure to click on the link. Only the first 1,000 subscribers will get this course, so quickly go there and check that one out. Also, remember that every single like, share, and comment helps us, so thank you again for your continued support, and let's go back to the video. And there you go. So this is an amazing thing, guys. We're going to be doing this more frequently, and again, we're just going to be requiring your email or some information so that we can get the course to you. That's it. The only thing you need to do is go down to the link and get your course. It's an amazing course. You're going to learn a lot of things. I know I have learned a lot of very cool tricks from Victor, so I'm sure you're going to enjoy it as well. We're going to continue with more 3D. Leave me in the comments here what else, what other topics you guys want me to cover in the next couple of days. We got the boot spending, the the lighthouse as well. So there's a lot of other things that we can talk about, of course. But if there's a specific topic that you want me to research or talk about, give you my opinion, make sure to leave it on the comments here. Also, make sure to share, like, subscribe. You know the drill. That's it for me, guys. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.